Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change username on Thread. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, if we open up Thread app, we can go to our profile and then tap here it says edit profile. That's how we can find our name and our username is brackets. However, if we tap on it right here, it says that your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed here. The same about username. So if we want to change our name or username on Thread, we need to go to Instagram, then profile, edit profile, and that's here we can find our name and username. So we can just stop at username field and then we can just change it. Tap at done to save the changes. After that we can go back to address. We can refresh our page and as you can see, Thread username has also been changed. That's how we can easily change username on Thread. This is the video about today. Thanks for watching this.